What's so special about Derry City?
We're the best team in Ireland, so we are everywhere.
The best team in Ireland, do you hear that? Number one.
The best part.
Derry City is active, man. Look at this, man. Bro, look at this. Look at that. Bro. What? Bro, look at this, man. Whoa. Whoa. Sorry. You want to arrest me? Are you sure that car is working? That's not loud enough, boy. That's not loud enough, man. And welcome to the Beer Run 74 right here in Derry, one of the best city in Ireland. Look at this. Behind me, this is all my cars, the Prince of Africa. Right here, the Blackpaddy boys. What? Now, boys, I brought my brother from Africa here as well. The Blackpaddy and the Whitepaddy boys.
And the Derry Paddy.
The Derry Paddy, yep. How's it been doing? I'm busy with you too.
Oh my God, you look very gorgeous.
Oh, bro, come here. You look gorgeous.
Are you touchable?
You're touchable as well. I'm a legend, man. Oh, it's going to be a good day today.
You're here for the day.
Oh, I'm here for the day, man. I'm here to have the crack.
Happy day.
That's right.
And keeping your clothes on.
Oh, come here. Trust me. It depends. It depends. See, when the lights go dark, I go dark as well.
Well, let me
see how I know.
Jesus, man.
Yeah, bro. Sorry, bro. What's the crack, man? You're right.
Thank you so much.
Man, I have to say, the crack in here, boys. It's an amazing car. Man, what an amazing Ferrari right here. What do you do for a living? Sorry.
A shopkeeper.
A shopkeeper. Whoa, look at this Ferrari, man. For a Ferrari, look at this. What a nice car, man. What an amazing car. Beautiful car, bro. Come here, listen, sweetheart. If you're not married, I can be your new husband. Listen. Because, see, you know what? Listen. All this car here, I own them. You know what I mean? I'm trying to get this gift. I'm trying to give this girl a black baby. 2 seconds. Yeah, so listen. Which car do you like here today?
Lamborghini.
The Lamborghini. Jesus Christ, you're very hard to maintain. Lamborghini. Man, exhaust, bro. Look at that, man. That is so loud.
I'm going green for you, Paddy.
You going green?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, man. I want to see this, bro. Man, this is gonna be unreal, boy. See, you can never get this just in Derry. So if you roll, I want to see this happen. He's gonna go green for me now.
Just you stand there.
I just stand back.
Fuck that. Anymore. This is what the hell? Derry is active. Here on 74, you can never get anything better than this. What? Look at this baby, man. Hello, how you doing?
Hello.
What's crack? Listen, what's your best car here today?
I like the Lamborghini.
What's the story with everybody liking the Lamborghini? It's like it's in everywhere. Why do you like the Lamborghini?
I like the colour of it, and we like the number plate as well. It's Union. So I think it's lovely.
What?
Yeah.
She's just here for the man. She's like, oh my God, who owns a Lamborghini? Which car is your best car here today? Yeah, it's like, look at this, bro. Amazing. Guys, man, you can never beat Derry. Derry is one of the most active places you can ever be. Oh, sorry, man. Look at this. This is one of the coolest Homer. Look at that for the Homer, boy. Look at the tire. Bro, that is good, man. Now, I'm going to find out if this car has a good MOT now, boy. Here we go. And where are you from, bro?
Derry.
Whereabouts in Derry are you from?
North Road.
Oh, look at this. Look at this beautiful. The color has my soul. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going all the way to Africa. That's what the engine is. Man, every car's engine, this is the engine, man. And come here real quick, how long do you have this car for now?
A year and a half.
A year and a half? Yeah. And what do you do for a living?
I run a horse contractor.
What, man? That is fair play to you, bro. Fair play. And if you have to buy this car in the market, how much does this car cost?
£200,000.
Bro!
How did you get under that car?
Come here, listen, I might be buying the car now. How much? How much is the car? Who has the car? Oh, come here. Oh, that's a nice car to say. How much is the car?
25,000.
£25,000 for that car.
Never mind that, bro. This is daily, bro. I feel like Fast and Furious, baby. This is daily. I race you, baby. Well, let's go. Bro, this is daily, bro. What? This is daily, bro. What's daily? This is daily, bro. What? I love Derry, baby. I race it. What's the story, bro? What's the crack, man? Hey, legend, bro. What's the story, man? What's the crack? Yep.
Put your left foot there for me.
That one here. Yep.
Got a bit lights on.
Yeah, lights on, with the lights on.
Hit that me one there for me.
Yep, ladies and gentlemen, the Blackpaddy right here in Derry. I'm the new Blackpaddy on the police car. You ready? Let's go, baby. Woo! What's the story, baby? Yep. New Blackpaddy in the house.